Alright, so let's start off by prepping and filling this ding repair. Right here we got a couple fin gashes that usually happens when someone runs over you in the water. So what we're going to do is we're going to first cut out all the loose fiberglass that's in there separated from the foam so we could get a nice patch going in here. What we'll do is we'll start off by grabbing your mat knife and just slightly turning it through the fiberglass, tearing it up and ripping it out. Most of the time it'll just come out with your fingers. And just rip it in just like that. That should be sufficient. And you just come over here, grab the other one. We just want to make sure that all the loose fiberglass is gone, because if you patch on top of that, sometimes it will just separate underneath your repair, not really bonding it anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how a real man does a ding repair. I'm going to use my machine, so put my mask on, and then we'll just let it rip. So right there what we did is just made the area around that, that patch just coarse, and that way our filler is going to bond real nicely and it's going to stick in there. The foam itself is coarse, and that's why obviously resin sticks to it, so we don't have to worry about that. Just kind of blow it out. That's pretty much, it just gets all the loose impediments out. At home, if you don't have a $400 machine around, you could always use a little sanding block with some sandpaper, and after you cut it out, just a couple strokes like that would really get it done. So now that we have the area prepped, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mix up some Q-cell, and then we'll fill it in.